Hello students, welcome to Chori Maths. I'm going to be working out this Olympiad question. It is very interesting. I'm going to show the tricks, so watch and learn. So you have x raised to power x raised to power 4 is equals to 64. Now what you are to do, the first step to take is you raise both sides all to the power of 4, so that you are going to have x raised to power x raised to power 4 all will be raised to the power of 4 is equals to 64 all to the power of 4. Now I have reasons why I'm doing this. I'm going to show you even as I continue to do this work. Now since you have this, recall that in indices, if I have x raised to power n raised to power m, it is the same thing as having it as x raised to power m raised to power n, which is the same thing as x raised to power n m. Now, why we said this is because whether you have n times m or you have m times n, they are all the same. Okay, it is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Now, since we have that knowledge, this is what I'm going to do. Now, I'm going to pick this as an entity, okay, as a power on its own. Then I'll pick this as a power on its own. So I'll interchange their positions, okay? So if I do that, I'm going to have x raised to power 4. Then I'm going to have, look at, okay? Then I'm going to have x raised to power 4. You see? So that is very nice. Then it is equals to 64 all raised to power 4. Now, if you check, the base here and the power here are the same. Why not let me go to the right hand side, that is this 64 raised to power 4, to make it look like what I have on my left hand side, that is the base being the same with the power. And I can do that. Okay, how am I going to do that? Let me pick 64 all raised to power 4. This is the same thing as saying 8 raised to power 2 raised to power 4. So from what we just explained earlier on, is going to be 8 raised to power 2 times 4, which is going to be 8 raised to power 8. So put them side by side. Putting it side by side, you are going to have x raised to power 4 raised to power x raised to power 4 is equals to 8 raised to power 8. Now, by inspection, okay, you get to know that we can quickly say that this is the same thing as this. Why? Because the base is the same thing. The two sides, their bases and their powers are the same. So we can make that conclusion by inspection. Hence, we can now come down to say x raised to power 4 is equals to 8. Now, for us to take to get x or to find x, what I need to do is to raise this to the power of 1 over 4 and raise this to the power of 1 over 4, so that 4 can cancel 4 and x is equals to 8 raised to power 1 over 4, which is the same thing as the fourth root of 8. So this is the answer. Now, you can go forth to check your answer by substituting it into the question and see whether you are going to get 64. I want us to do it so that you'll be very convinced that what we've done is actually very correct. So let's do it now here, okay? Now I have x raised to power 4, okay? X raised to power x, sorry. X raised to power x raised to power 4 like this is equals to 64. I want to prove it now because we say our x is 8 raised to power 1 over 4. So I have 8 raised to power 1 over 4. Okay, raised to power, I have 8 raised to power 1 over 4. Then I have raised to power 4. Let me check whether it's going to give me 64. 4 times 1 over 4, it cancels out. So what I'm going to have is 8 raised to power 1 over 4. Okay, or raised to power 8. Then I can see that 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So that I'm going to have 8 raised to power 2, and 8 raised to power 2 is equals to what? 64. So you're actually very correct. All right, So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you keep following Chori Math. I have a lot of interesting videos this year that I'm going to be posting, so I want you to be part of the project so that you will learn and become better in mathematics. Thank you so much.